guys, I'm back and we are looking at a new shape for volume. This is a rectangular pyramid. I'm naming it that because the base here is a rectangle. Oh, that is not my pen. Okay, here we go. So the base is a rectangle. And there's also triangular prisms that would have a triangle down here at the bottom instead of a rectangle, but I am starting with rectangles because it's easier and I want to start you off a little bit easy. So I already identified and shaded my base. So next I'm going to copy the formula. So volume equals 1/3 big BH. You may be wondering, why is this 1/3? So I have a video I want to show you, getting meta again, videos inside videos. But I want you to see this. So we have in this video, this is a square pyramid and it matches this cube. The base of this square pyramid has the same area as the base of this cube. So we're gonna watch this. So he's got this full of water and he's gonna dump it in the cube. And you can see that that one pyramid did not fill the cube. The cube is only about 1/3 of the way full. Okay, so he does it again. Okay, still not full. So now we've done it twice. So he's gonna do it a third time. So this third time, now that cube is filled. And so that's how we see that it's 3 of these pyramids fill in one of the cubes, which is why we have this 1/3 going on. You could also write, if I wanted to, another way I could write this would be to say big B over H divided by 3, because 3 pyramids are fitting inside of one of whatever the matching prism would be. So I'm going to keep my 1/3 here, but I'm going to replace big B with area for a rectangle. That would be length times width, and then bring down my height. So again, 1/3, bringing it down. The length here is 10. The width is 8. And height, in this case, height is from the apex or the point of the pyramid straight down till it's perpendicular with the base shape. And it tells us that's 6. The next thing I'm going to think about is I want to get rid of this fraction. And I showed you over here that we could divide by 3. So I'm thinking to myself, is 10, 8, or 6, are any of those divisible by 3? Self, yes. I could do 6 divided by 3. So that's what I'm going to do. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So now that's so much easier than thinking about a fraction if I can get rid of that fraction. So now I'm just doing 2 times 10 times 8. So 2 times 10 is 20. Times 8 would give me 160 inches cubed. Okay, so that is the volume of this pyramid. Again, if I'm going too fast or you need me to pause, you can pause me. You have the power. Okay, here's another pyramid. So again, I'm still doing volume equals 1/3 big B times H. I still have a rectangle here on the bottom. Ooh, I should have done that first. Dang it. So I'm still doing length times width times height. And I'm going to change colors. 1/3. My length is 7. My width is 8. My height, they've given it to me outside of the pyramid, and that's fine. If they, in the way this pyramid is drawn, if they tried to show me the apex, it just ends up going right on top of this corner of the pyramid. So that's why they showed the height on the outside, but it's 12. So I'm still going to think to myself, are any of those numbers divisible by 3? And I know that 12 is divisible by 3. So I'm going to do 12 and 1/3, which what's 12 divided by 3? 4. So I'm doing 4 times 7 times 8. I think you guys can handle this calculation. You're probably using a calculator anyway. So you're going to finish this question and answer it in the quizzes. And then on top of that, I have this final question. It's got decimals. Don't be scared. You're still just going to do the math the regular way. I will give you the formula. 1/3 big B times H. And we know that this is our base. So you are going to finish this question all by yourself and put the answer in quizzes. I hope you have a lovely day. Please join in to one of the chats for Ms. Hawkins, Ms. Morgan, Ms. Greenwald, or myself. They're on the checklist, are links to our Google Meets, and we would love to see your faces there. Have a good day.